Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. Eat. Did you eat your lunch? Second, friend. Ram is my best friend. Third, our. This is our car. Fourth, ate. I ate a snack. Fifth, soon. She will leave soon. Sixth, under. The cat is under the chair. Seventh, dog. This dog is brown. Eighth, must. You must brush your teeth. Ninth, doll. I have a new doll. 10th, play. Who will play with me? 11th, name. My mother name is Rina. 12, friend. She is my best friend. 13, love. I love her so much. 14, invite. I invite all my friends. 15, early. I wake up early in the morning. Thanks for watching.